ID. There should be a limit of everything. And you are coming on behalf of tented candidates, allow us today. And you are not permitted to work till 31st of December 2020. Blank OMR. But then in that case, OMR mismatch is not.
Blank OMR and OMR mismatch is totally different.
OMR
mismatch is of hallmarks also.
OMR mismatch is the greatest tented candidates. Of publication of list who were permitted to undergo or who were permitted to work till 31st of December.
There was no publication of list. That is my contention.
You are not permitted.
No, we were not.
You are not permitted. So why you did not make demo at that point of time?
Because at that relevant point of.
And now at the fag end of the just before the initiation of selection process, when a list is published, you are trying to unsettle it.
This is for the first time the list has been published. It was not.
That is in terms of the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court is insisting of the matter. Mr. Lahiri, there should be a limit of everything. And you are coming on behalf of tented candidates, allow us today. And you are not permitted to work till 31st of December 2020.
I understand what is falling from your lordship, my lord.
Enough is enough. So what tented is concerned, enough is enough.
We are not tented. It has been said by division bench. Kindly see the direction of the division bench.
Now you have become senior advocate. You have more cases to do.
No.
Rather than appearing on behalf of tented.
This is which we have been facing from 2023. Matters were taken up. We were not parties when we.
And what Supreme Court has said. Just a minute.
May I finish this?
Just a minute. Just a minute. What Supreme Court has said, please come to page. Come to this order dated 29th August 2025.
28 or 29.
29th August 2025. In Vivek Padia's case. Both the writ petitions are pending for consideration.
But Vivek Padia and the other,
both the SLPs are pending for
consideration. Both these matters arise out of your lordship's judgment.
Says that if any tented candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated 25th August 2025 issued by the Commission stating that the eligibility and ineligibility of the candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the Commission.
That is what I'm saying.
What? No.
I will not be getting anything if I participate. Even after getting the appointment letter, my appointment letter can be cancelled.
If any tented candidate slips through Supreme Court. But with regard to the candidates who have been identified as untented candidates, there was no
I will show
there was no observation. But in case of tented, there was a direction for further filtration.
Even if I am a tented, I will not be able to get the appointment. But I will not be able to give the examination. And my lord, persons who have slipped in 183 numbers of persons that I have drawn your lordship's attention, they have not been included. They are now going and sitting in the examination after being appointed post expiry of panel.
What is disturbing this court problem is this, that after you were not permitted to work,
I understand
31st December.
Why you have not come? Why you have not come?
Did not raise any demur.
I understand. But my lord, after giving the application, admit cards were given to me. Kindly comes to my lord. Kindly, my lord, may I just finish, my lord? 239 and 236 is the finding. I will not trouble your lordship. Kindly comes to the relevant part, 239 of the judgment passed by the Honorable Division Bench, presided over by the Honorable Justice Somen Sen, arising out of your lordship's order. 238. 238, the paragraph 363 is quoted. 233, lordship is there. Lordship may not read it. Kindly comes to paragraph 32. Lordship is seen in paragraph 31. Paragraph 363 is quoted in deciding all cases.
Paragraph
31. 238. 31, 363 is quoted. I am not placing. Kindly sees. Paragraph 4 is also there. Lordship has gone through minutely. Now paragraph 32. Paragraph 236(4) has classified 3 categories of candidates. Yes. 31 is the quoting, quote unquote. Paragraph 363 has classified 3 categories of candidates who can be described as tainted candidates.
Then paragraph 363(4) was considered.
Now, persons who have been tainted outside the panel, we are not. Persons tainted after the expiry of the panel, who are working and who will be participating.
That's the probable tainted.
My humble submission is it is not the probable, my lord. This interpretation has been made by the division bench, not challenged, binding upon them.
Can just 1 minute I will.
And persons who have submitted blank OMR.
OMR mismatch tainted.
I'll be joining. I'll be joining an
issue. OMR mismatch tainted. OMR has been
Blank OMR.
fraudulently has been done.
Blank OMR.
Third OMR blank is also tainted. In addition to that, this is also there. They
That
are
might be
tainted.
there. Term.
I mean, tainted is a broad term.
Yes,
Yes.
because these are what court is saying, that paragraph 363, or the main paragraph of judgment dated 22nd April 2024 of the division bench, where it is stated that there are 3 categories of tainted. That is the probable categories, not all categories.
My humble
Not all
submission-
categories.
My
It is
humble
not- it is
submission
not
is this is
possible-
the interpreted by the
possible
division.
to pinpoint all the categories of
Division
tainted.
bench has
Find
pinpointed
that
one.
from the division bench, when a bench presided by Justice Basa, and also the Supreme Court, the tainted candidate, in one case, it has been given the
देखिए
chart has been given, OMR, these are on the basis of the CBI, right?
Yes.
These are all tainted. Second is beyond the panel which who have been taken. Oh, yes, rank jumping. I was forgotten one. Rank jumping was also.
I am not
tainted.
rank jumping. I have shown the list of rank jumping.
Rank jumping was also tainted. Rank jumping was also tainted.
Persons who had been appointed outside the panel.
What I am saying,
expiry of the panel?
in addition, these are the.
Malad, outside
these
the panel includes rank jumping.
It cannot be.
That is the.
It cannot be said. OMR mismatch is not tainted.
Now,
Blank OMR is not tainted. OMR mismatch is
blank OMR is tainted.
Had also submitted blank OMR.
Yes,
Blank
we have
OMR
not
is
blank OMR.
classified as tainted under paragraph 363(4).
Yes,
Not blank
that is
OMR.
what here. What you want to say that we are not.
Mr. Lahiri wants to say that there are only 3 categories of tainted candidates.
No.
Under paragraph 363(4). What are those categories? Candidates appointed beyond the panel, candidates appointed outside the panel, and candidates who submitted blank OMR.
But then in that case, OMR mismatch is not.
Blank OMR and OMR mismatch is
OMR,
totally different.
OMR mismatch
OMR
is not.
mismatch is a 1 marks also.
OMR
I'll show.
mismatch is the greatest tainted candidates. Everything has been fallen because of the OMR mismatch.
Now, my lord, I'll show
OMR
your lordship.
And
May I complete, my lord? Our senior friend will get.
Mr. Light, this is not nothing to be talked much. We are also facing the courts also. Let me very clear. We are treating them as a tainted. We are treating them as a tainted.
But persons who are supposed to be treated as tainted is not being treated as tainted.
You challenge that.
I have challenged here and now.
Let them party and come back. Then we will see to that.
In another of the
Anyway,
litigations.
now, yesterday, although I was not there, I have received the instructions from my advocate on record. Yesterday also, one of the matter was taken up. And other petitions have been dismissed. One there we have said, they have shown. It will be very clear to your lordship if I say that there are mismatching of the list of the tainted and a CBI list, which we have said the list which has been published by the SSC, that they were all appointed, right? And the difference between that, they are also tainted. We are also cancelling their admit cards also. And we have said also there may be some, everything is not filtered at 5 lakhs applications are there. It may not, but ultimately if anyone is there, we'll cancel. And because this is the order of your lordship's order, which has been upheld.
That is
they
what I'm
cannot
saying.
be treated. They cannot be accepted at all.
That is what I'm.
Yes, even if I miss anywhere, let's assume. If I miss anywhere, that's where I'm missing. He has got it.
At the time of verification.
At the time of verification, I will do it.
But that is what I'm saying. If I appear in the examination,
if you appear in the examination, Supreme Court
kindly
will
cancel
can-
me. Kindly cancel. I will get an opportunity. I want to go to Jamuna. I want to go to, but after appearing in the examinations, not like this. No, if I miss examination, man, I'll not be able to appear. 156 has not been accepted.
Yes.
156 has not been accepted.
See,
156 has not been accepted.
Table 1.
Let us, yes, see.
Just a minute.
156 of the writ petition.
Supreme Court order. Lordship is taking the Supreme Court order, paragraph.